I have seen young people criticizing our elders. They never taught me anything. I've heard elders criticizing young people. They don't want to learn anything. They don't care. I've heard people stepping forward to do stuff in language, saying they're not doing it right. It's a joke, and it should be like this. Come on. Our time on this planet is so short, even if you get 100 years. Our energy is so sacred. If we spend our finite time and sacred energy throwing one another out of the canoe, there will be no one left to paddle, and that canoe will go nowhere. In many ways, it's an insecurity and a defense mechanism to be so hard on each other. Because if it's someone else's fault, that means I'm off the hook. Our elders have done and continue to do the very best that they can. And what they have done and continue to do is a lot. And it is enough. Our young people do care. You heard them this morning. They are learning a lot. They are doing a lot. Our communities are already in their hands. Hate and anger will never drive out the darkness. Only the light can do that.